Do you want to actually double tap on TikTok? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to do a double tap on TikTok live. Double tap means to quickly tap the screen twice on a video, which is essentially the platform ways of liking or showing appreciation for the content or live stream. The steps are simple and easy. In order to do it, the first thing you have to do is to log into your TikTok account. So right here on my TikTok account, you can use the search box to look for live stream app, or probably go to the home screen of your TikTok and click on the live option found at the top left corner of your screen. So right here on your live stream, you can just double tap to show that you like this live stream. By just clicking, you're going to see what is popping out. It shows that you appreciate the live stream. So guys, that is it on how to double tap on TikTok live in order to show appreciation. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.